All right, guys, that's how we make fake IDs in Photoshop. Now, don't forget, you can totally print these at your house, but you're gonna wanna make sure you get the holograms for each state. And you can actually get those on PHLEARN.com. Just follow the link in the description right down below. Thanks so much, I'll PHLEARN you later. Bye, everyone. All right, cool. Woo, did it. All right. Yo.
Hey.
What you working on?
Just that free tutorial. Trying to import a PSD into Premiere.
Import a PSD? Oh, cool. So go ahead and cancel on what you're on right now.
Okay.
Perfect. And then go to File up on the top left and down to, yep, down to Import. Perfect. So you're gonna wanna find the folder that the file is in. The file is gonna be inside of a folder. So if you can find that folder on your computer, go on. Fine. Let's take a little picture together. Hello.
Oh, hey.
What you working on?
I was just taking some pictures with Koa.
Ooh, cool. So what you want to do is go ahead and just point your phone. So you have your camera app turned on?
Yeah.
Perfect. So then you're going to actually want to point, there's a little lens on the back of that. You're going to want to point that basically right at whatever you're trying to take a picture of.
All right.
So just go ahead and make sure that, and if you can see in the screen what you're taking a picture of, that's perfect.
Okay.
So you'll notice there's a little button right on the bottom of the screen.
The white one.
Press it.
You
did it!
Thank
Congratulations!
You.
Yeah, you took a picture. Good
Thanks.
job, man.
Appreciate it.
Well, I'll PHLEARN you later.
Thank you.
Hey.
Hey.
What you got there?
Some bread?
You gonna make a sandwich?
No.
No?
Definitely not.
Oh, okay. Well, if you do decide to make a sandwich, I can help you with it.
I'm not even hungry. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, okay. All right, guys, so sandwiches are one of my favorite things to eat. You got your bread, you got your meat, you got your cheese, and don't forget pickles. They make everything better. So, first thing we want to do, I don't know about you, but I love, oh, hey, Seth, you want to learn how to make a sandwich? Cool, we'll do it later. Now, as I said before, I like my sandwiches with toasted bread. So, we're going to use the magic.
Oh, what the f?
What you working on?
Just taking a little break.
You know, when I'm trying to take a break, I like to deep breathe. You want to deep breathe together?
Sure.
Yeah, we'll do it together. It'll be fun. Let's start with our belly. Big one. In. And then let's make some noise on the exhale. Let's do one more.
Well, actually, I gotta go check on
You gotta go? You gotta go?
1 second. Gotta go check on
Okay,
something.
cool. I'll come with.
Oh, no, you can stay right there.
Wait, where are you going? Wait, Seth.
Oh, God.
Did you know most modern elevators have a closed door button that doesn't actually do anything? Oh, hey, Seth. You know, if you're doing stairs, it really helps out to keep that core section engaged. That way you don't even need to stress your legs.
Alright, so we're talking, we're gonna figure this out. And I'm shaking my head because I've had it up to here.
Oh, hey guys, welcome to PHLEARN. My name is Aaron Nace. You can find me on PHLEARN.com, where we make learning fun. What are you guys doing?
We're teaching people how to teach Photoshop in Photoshop.
Teaching people how to teach Photoshop in Photoshop. Teaching people Photoshop in Photoshop? Photoshop? Teaching people in Photoshop? Photoshop? But teach them in Photoshop? In Photoshop? 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 In Photoshop? Photoshop? teach them in Photoshop. You teach people how to in Photoshop. People how to Photoshop. And you teach them how to teach them. And you teach how to teach people in the and you teach people how to in Photoshop. Are you gonna teach people how to teach Photoshop? Photoshop in Photoshop. Photoshop in Photoshop. Photoshop. You teach them how to Photoshop. In Photoshop, you teach them how to. Photoshop. Photoshop in Photoshop. Teach them how to teach Photoshop. Teach them how to Photoshop. Teach them how to teach people in Photoshop. Teach them how to teach Photoshop. Photoshop in Photoshop. You teach them Photoshop in Photoshop.